I have a huge haul. So I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I'm going to be sharing with you guys just a bunch of stuff that I got, especially from scrapbook.com, and sort of some of the free gifts. These are all the free gifts that I got, because I think I forgot the, I forget what they're called, these pops of color. So I got a couple free pops of color that aren't in this haul because I forgot to pull them. Let's get right into it. First is from Alex Siberia Designs. Now this is coming from, I believe it's the UK. So it took a while. I actually forgot that I had ordered it, but they had a 40% off sale. And so I did pick this up. It's called Expressing Gratitude. And then you get this die that cuts out all of these different sentiments. So I loved that. So I got it. And then I'm going to put that one aside. I've got all this like stuff. It's like I have all my like things. Okay. From Honeybee. So Honeybee had a sale. I bought a bunch of these envelopes, which I thought would be fun. Just different colored A2 size envelopes, because I do plan on giving a bunch of cards out this year for Christmas. I got this big box and I'm going to put all kinds of cards in it. So I need to look and see what kind of cards I need to make still, like wedding cards and baby cards and things like that. Basically, I'm going to give them as Christmas gifts this year. And I thought it'd be fun to have some different colored envelopes. And so I think these are, this one might have been, I forget how many is in here. I think maybe 6. This one's a 12 pack. So these were like $3, I think. And then I want to say there was more, but I can't. I got this one, which is called Freshly Brewed cardstock. I don't buy tons of, I try not to buy too much paper because I have so much paper. But the reason why I got this one was I really liked the wood grained type of look, because there comes a lot of times where I use it for house scenes and things like that. So I liked that one. So I did get that. That was also on sale. I don't even know, what is this? Oh, this is waffle flour. So, and then they just had a huge clearance. So I got a bunch of stuff from Honeybee. So I don't know if I have this one or not, but I am going to be doing a bunch. I want to, hopefully it'll work out that I'm going to do a bunch of giveaways this year. So if I pick up things that I bought in duplicates or things that I think are cool, I'm going to get and use as giveaways this year for some milestones I'm hoping to reach. So the next milestone I want to reach is a subscriber milestone 3,500. I'm at 32, so let's hope that happens. But I don't know if I have this one or not. Be Merry. I'm going to have to look and see. But I got the die. It was on clearance. And then this one is a latte. So it comes with all the different ways that you can layer it. And so it was a good price. I can't remember, but it was a good price. Parisian Skyline. I don't think I have this one, but this is a stencil, but I'm gonna have to figure out how to use it. But it was like 25 cents or something, so I got that one. This was the one I was really excited about because this was only a couple of dollars, and this is a lantern builder A2 size die that I thought it might be fun to play with. So I'm gonna have to figure out how that one works. Yeah, so I'm kind of excited about that. And then I bought a bunch of stuff from Tailored Expressions, but I don't know where I don't know if it's all in here or not in here. Oh wait, I've got some more stuff to share in here. I've got, a couple more Honeybee envelopes. So there's that. Drop some stuff. Okay, so this is, I subscribed to the Tailored Expressions Create in Quads Club. I think it's only going to run 6 months. I can't remember, this is the 4th or 5th one that we've gotten, but this one is super cool. It's called Bird Party. So you can make these cool birds. And the way that it goes is that you ink each stencil There's 4 of them in here, each one different colors, and when you're done, you can cut them into 4 panels to make 4 different cards. And this one is super amazing. This one is called Bird Party, so I can't wait to play with that one. Let's see here. So many things. Okay, so I'm going to get into, I think what I'm going to get into what I bought from Scrapbook. No, I'm sorry, Simon Says Stamp, I think. Oh, here's one more envelope from Honeybees. I bought quite a few envelopes from Honeybees. Okay, so from Simon Says Stamp, from their clearance, I want to say this was 99 cents. I bought a bunch of 99-cent stuff. And, I mean, all the stuff sells super quick. But for some reason, this one was left. This is a clearly besotted stamp set. So this one's called Band Together. And I was just super excited. I was able to get that for 99 cents. This is, I think I got this from Simon Says Stamp. This is the Nature Lover Ephemera from Prima, 99 cents. And then this one, which I might have this Marcy with apples, so I'm going to have to look and see, but it was such a good, amazing price. I believe it was either $1.99 or 99 cents from Simon Says Stamp. Same with this one right here. I may or may not have the Bear Hugs. I'm going to have to look and see whether I have this one or not. I'm going to have to look and see. And then this one, I believe, was also like 99 cents. I think I bought a bunch of 99-cent ones. And this is like all the party hats. I don't even know if I have this one. This one is the Slimline. It kind of does like this, I don't know, looks like watermelon seeds to me. And it's a Slimline. It was like 99 cents. So that was amazing. And then this Mindful Moodling giant stencil was also, I believe, 99 cents. And let's see. Oh, here's one more Honeybee envelope. So I got a lot of envelopes. Oops, yikes, that just flew. I'm going to put them all away because my craft room is back to being a disaster after I spent the summer cleaning it. It's just like ridiculous. You know, this one was, I believe, on sale. I think it was 99 cents. I'm pretty sure I paid 99 cents for every single one of these. Let's see. This one, I have no idea where I got this one from. I don't even know. It might have been from the CC Designs website. It might have had a coupon or something. But I got this one. Okay, so now we're getting into, we'll do the waffle flower before I do. Okay, so from Waffle Flower, there's so many Waffle Flower amazing things that they've got right now. But I did get a few of the things. So they had a 25% off sale, and I believe these are ones that I did not have. This is the Layered Books die. And this I bought, which is the Doodle Print foil plate. I just like that sort of tribal kind of look. This one was on part of their 25% off. This is like a popcorn thing. You get a popcorn sentiment die, and I believe a stencil as well in here. So I thought that one was kind of fun. This is part of their new release, which is this Aloha Mahalo die. This, I believe, the Shelves die was a 25% off. This one was a 25% off Story Sentiments. This one was just Classic Books Layering die. This is a new one from the new releases, Multiple Presents. And then I also got the Doodle Print stencils. So, all of that. Okay, now we're into, oh, I've got some more things from, all right, some of these I bought, but I feel, did I buy this one? I don't even know. But anyways, all of these I believe are like 99 cents, and I always love to pick up these things because I either decorate my cards with them or I use them for shakers. I do make a lot of shakers. If you watch my channel, you know that I do a lot of shakers. Okay, now we're into some scrapbook.com things. I got a lot of stuff to put away. So some things I purchased. So some of the things that I purchased include I don't know if you guys know about A Pocket Full of Happiness. They are, I don't know if it's Germany. It's a European company. Anyway, she's got some really amazing things, and so including this really cool rainbow stamp set where each level makes a different part of the rainbow, so you can do all different colors. So I picked that up. I also just for some reason really like birdhouses, but anyway, I really liked this birdhouse, and the little birdies I thought were adorable. So I did pick this one up. This was something I purchased. Let's see some other things that I purchased. And let's see, these are all freebies. Okay, something else I purchased. Oh, sorry, I forgot about these. Were 99 cents also. These were these little paint pens from Simon Says Stamp. Like, they had a ton of cheapy things. Okay, so these are exclusive. Oh, I bought this, which is a matte board. So we'll have to see about that. But they have Eileen Hull. Right now they're exclusive through scrapbook.com, which is this one right here. It was a pretty good sale actually, but it makes this like card box, but you also could use it different ways, and I just liked it. So I got that, but I also got this. They came together. And this actually can decorate your card box. Also, it has all these other pieces too. So I got that. And then, let's see, other things that I purchased. And then I'll get into all the free gifts besides the pops of color. Because, you know, that one okay. Just lots of free gifts. Okay, so what I purchased... Okay, I purchased this, which is the half and half Tropical Leaves Stencil Duo. So it's basically, it's two stencils. It does one half of the leaves, and then the other stencil will do the other half, so you could get this like two-tone look. And then I did buy the Abstract Hearts foil plate, and both of these I believe were on clearance. So free gifts. So I got a couple pops of color that were free. I got this A2 card die that spells out hi. And then I got this the Ho die. That's what I got. This Hip Hip Hooray acrylic word. This Christmas tree tag die. This Slimline winter floral die. This Thinlits, I don't know what it's called, die. Oh, Botanic Scene die. Two of these Berry Branch dies. Actually, I lied. Three of these Berry Branch dies. This Build a Cake die. And then this was just something that I purchased, which is this Book Club ephemera. So lots and lots of free gifts on scrapbook.com. I did buy quite a few things. And so I have quite a few things that I'm going to be putting in my giveaway. So I'm going to have different giveaways, like I said, every time I reach a milestone. I'm hoping to reach 5,000, big goal, 5,000 subscribers by December 2024. So I'm going to have lots and lots of giveaways. If I reach that, I'm having a giant giveaway. But I've been on YouTube for a long time, and there just came a time where I just stayed very stagnant with my subscribers. So I just needed to up my game. So hopefully I'm doing that, but lots of things. I've got a ton of projects I'm working on. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy Creating with the Heart.